So, ayan, mother and daughter naman yung gaganapan ni Mama Precious and ni Jess sa Camon. Oh, yung direct dun.
3, 2, 1. Action.
Lay! Hindi ka na dito tumatawag yung daddy mo? Kasapin mo yan. Hi, Dad! Self-speak mo muna. Ano naman eh? Hi, Dad! How are you? Oh? Akala ko you're going home tonight. Huh? Talaga? Of course, I understand. Okay, Dad. Bye. Oh, by the way, alam niyo na ba? Alam mo niya. Si Kim? Yeah. He called us again. Oh my God, kumako si Maria.